Before we get into this video, guys, I got something to tell you, okay? I am gonna be doing yet another Rate My Subscribers Beats video coming very soon. All you gotta do to enter is just follow instructions in the description and you will be entered. All you gotta do, it's really simple. You just gotta sign up on Viber.net, join the Dogs Gang community, and post your beats in there, and it'll be lit. All right, so go ahead, follow the links in the description. All the instructions are down there. And yeah, let's get on this video. What is going on, Dogs Gang? We are back for yet another video, and today I thought, you know what, let me bring it back to Southside. I haven't done Southside in a very, very long time. Maybe a few weeks. Probably hasn't been that long. I guess it's been relatively long. But anyway, we're gonna do another Southside type beat. You guys know how much I love Southside beats and how much I love making them. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Got atmosphere loaded up. You know the deal. Like, don't forget to comment on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, let's do it. All right, atmosphere. I'm gonna try and look for some sounds I've never used before. I wanna make this interesting because I always use bells. See, I'm automatically like just ready to click on bells. So let's go in atmosphere, right? Let's check out. Kind of liking this. Pretty nice. I don't know what else to add to it. That's the only problem. I'll find something. I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm gonna find something. But yeah, I'm gonna look for a counter melody now because I think this is good. Egyptian size beat. Let's do it. All right, let's get this flute. Now I want to use the flute. I know I didn't use it last time, the last video, but I'm gonna definitely use it now. Okay. Guys, this is a very, very regal sounding melody. All right, now it's time for the drums. So let's get in. All right, I don't even know where to start. Where do I begin? Where the hell do I begin? Let's do the dark trap drum kit. There we go. Hats. Okay. Snare, let's try this one. Alright, let's get a good, actually I don't even want to do the kick. Let's do the 808. I'm going to the 808 pattern, forget it. I'm going to go straight to the 808 pattern. I need an 808 pattern. 8-bit pattern already makes it sound like it's done, but we still need to work on these hi-hats again because I forgot to add the rolls again. Of course I did.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, it sounded nice, but the beat's missing something, isn't it? And that's something. What is it, you might ask? Well, it's none other than the kicks. We need kicks. It's not hitting hard enough. The beat needs to hit harder, so we need to add some kicks. And I think, yeah, the kicks is it. I'm assuming we're done after that, but we'll see what happens. Alright, let's go. The snare was hot, but this beat is sounding really nice. Alright, I think it's almost, honestly I think the beat's really done, but I just want to add a few more things, like some perks and claps and extra things to it before we're completely done. So let's just, real quick, hold up. Alright, well, there's the beat. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I certainly did. I thought this was very nice. Yeah. If you guys liked it, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos I do in the future in the comment section below. And don't forget to share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel and whatnot. So yeah, once again, thank you guys so much. Appreciate every single one of you guys for staying with me. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next one. Peace.